realize how important it is to make the right trading decisions. One wrong trading move can drastically harm your portfolio, while a good move can bring tremendous profits. That's why trading signals are so important. Once you've tried a forex demo account for practice and created a strategy that works for you, you can add trading signal services as a useful tool in your forex trading. With online forex, finding a trading signal service is easier than ever. In their simplest form, a forex trading signal will send you a forex alert email once a day listing trade setups for the next 24 hours. Some forex signal providers offer a free trial service, thus allowing currency traders to sample the signals to assess their worth. This is a helpful step, as it allows the trader to consider the quality and reliability of the signals before paying money. This is a crucial element in the research process, and weeds out the providers who want money up front as they are not confident in their ability to call profitable trades. This is a good service that you can try for free for 3 to 5 days. Various FX signal providers offer a few complimentary services along with the featured ones. Look for a FX signal company that provides email support, phone assistance, and even mentoring to their clients. This is of great value, especially to new traders. They assign their time assisting traders in taking buy, sell decisions. Forex traders depend upon and trust the recommendations of these professional signal providers, while making investing decisions in the forex market. Forex signals are not meant to be a magic solution to all your forex problems. They are designed to inform you about the market. Forex business timing is extremely crucial. A trader can earn millions or lose even more depending upon his timely or untimely actions. Besides, being the biggest market on the face of Earth, it generates business activity of almost $3 trillion USD. It operates around the clock, all over the globe, making it thus impossible for a trader to stay vigilant all the time about market fluctuation and probable changes therein. Therefore, a trader needs alarms and indicators to get knowledge about the possible opportunities and probable pitch points. Hence the need for forex signal or alerts. Basically, forex alert or signal is a communication or intimation to the trader indicating the right time to buy, sell, and the suitable price to pay, ask. Most of the time, such signals and alerts are provided by trained professionals, either individual or companies. When choosing a forex signal service, be sure the company offers the type of signal alerts you need. Every person is different. Some require computer or email alerts, while others are not. Accurate forex signals are made for both professional traders and although new traders. The best forex signals trading system is going to cover multiple situations on the forex market. For instance, the best forex trade signals is going to cover all major currencies like GBP, USD, and EUR at all times the market is open, not only for specific situation. Simply to get the full value of your forex trade, you must know what is happening in regards to all the major currencies. The forex system should also be able to give you at least 3 forex trading signal alerts a day. Some forex trading signals are high-volume scalpers, calling many trades in a day aiming to profit a handful of pips on each. Others only call a few trades a day, aiming to profit 20 to 80 pips on each single trade. Forex trading signal providers help you in minimizing risks or losses in trading. Forex signals are generally given on a daily updated basis and all are contingent on factual market analysis and behavioral flow and not on mere hearsay and other speculations. The signals are calculated and generated by using different indicators such as trends, moving average, Elliott waves, Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci series, etc. In spite of that, some uses strategies like Pip Maximizer Method 1, Pip Maximizer Method 2, Pip Reversal Method, Pip Divergence Method, Instant Pip Method, Pip Retracement Method, Quantum Pip Strategy. To give profitable and accurate signals. The following question I wish to raise, is the abundant selection of forex signals from which we can choose. Because of the variety of service providers, they offer different services, of which we must be aware. The first type of forex signal provider will just send out trade alerts by email, often daily, sometimes at several intervals throughout the day. Thus you need to have a laptop of email receiving device ready at all times, to gain the most from trading forex signals. The next type to consider are through EA/expert advisors. These types of signals are not good at all because those are the computer-oriented programs which can ruin your money within a few trades. But fortunately this is not such a big problem today, as more traders have email reading devices. The most crucial aspect concerning the format you receive the signals, is to ensure that you receive them immediately, and have the capability to act on them straight away, so you have to have immediate access to your forex brokerage account, and place the trade as soon as you humanly can. A unique benefit of trading forex signals is that it gives guidance and discipline in a forex currency trader. Forex profit signals service providers send you alerts when the conditions are right for the trade. They use cutting-edge technology which constantly monitor all major currency pairs for generating technical indicators. Forex signal generators produce forex signals which are indicators of ideal trading opportunities. These are certain algorithmic patterns which have been evident in successful forex trades throughout the years. These forex signals are then fed onto the program of forex automated DA or expert advisors. This program will then either make forex trading decisions for the individual while he is away from the computer, or advise the individual about what to do. Forex EAs act like wizards which monitor currency ratings through online forex trading platforms. One can look at forex signals as triggers of commands which allow the automated system to function. Forex signals can measure. Forex trading is trading currencies from different countries against each other. Forex is an interbank market that took shape in 1971 when global trade shifted from fixed exchange rates to floating ones. This is a set of transactions among forex market agents involving exchange of specified sums of money in a currency unit of any given nation for currency of another nation at an agreed rate as of any specified date. During exchange, the exchange rate of one currency to another currency is determined simply by supply and demand, exchange to which both parties agree. Actually, forex is the financial game between bulls and bears. The major currencies pairs are Euro to US dollar, Pound sterling to US dollar to Japanese yen, US dollar to Swiss franc, US dollar to Canadian dollar, Australian dollar to US dollar. And these are the 6 best forex markets. What are forex signals? Forex signals are indicators that let you know when it's a good time to buy or sell a currency pair. They provide you with insight as to what's going on in the forex market without the necessity to monitor forex trends throughout the day. If you are self-employed or employed by another company, forex trading is likely a part-time endeavor for you. You won't have time to sit at the computer and monitor the forex market all day. Forex signals can be delivered to you throughout the day by professional forex traders to give you a heads up on what's going on in the market. You can receive the signals, and then place the signals for buy or sell. Forex signals are basically suggested buy and sell points with price targets and stop-loss levels delivered by FX signal providers to traders. They may be delivered by email, instant messenger, cell phone, live currency trading systems, or direct to your forex signal MetaTrader on your desktop. Forex trading is a risky business and it takes some time to master the art of forex trading signals. There are a number of FX signal providers, but before you choose, you need to make sure you have done your homework. Always ask for the free signals to deliver for 3 to 5 days and test those signals in your demo account. The main characteristics of forex trading signals to be aware of are as follows. Cost, monthly subscription. Complexity, simple, 1 email a day or full service. Control, you keep full control or the signal provider trades your AC for you. Most forex trade signals charge a very modest subscription fee, usually in the region of USD $80, $400 per month. If you're new to forex trading, you probably realize